This DIY, I'm going to start with these bracelets that you can find in the toy section of Dollar Tree. I just open up my packages, lay them out, and start to think of the design I want to create. And by the way, I'm going to add this DIY to my $5 project playlist. And if you enjoy this type of DIYs, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll create a series of $5 DIYs. So I'll start with one bracelet at the top, and you can see my offset pattern. The widest row is the fourth row of 4, and then it goes back to narrow, making like a diamond shape. Once I had my pattern laid out, I began to glue these together. I glued one row at a time and then glued it together as one unit. I do want to show you this. This is pretty neat. These bracelets have these little nubs every so often, and you can add glue just to those areas, and it'll, help you keep everything lined up and looking straight. Once the glue is dry, I went outside and I painted it gold. That's what it's looking like, and it's feeling sturdy, stiff, and strong. I also made another one. It's just a smaller version. It's just a size smaller. The widest row on this one is the third row of 3, and then I just placed that on top of the larger one and begin to glue those two together with hot glue. I wanted to add a little bit more glam to kind of make it pop a little more, so I glued acrylic gems from Dollar Tree everywhere the bracelets were touching one another, which is pretty much where I had already added hot glue. What turned out to be pretty neat is the gems created a claw for the center. So I didn't glue any gems in the center because I knew I was going to glue a mirror there. So I just used a round mirror from Dollar Tree. I removed the stickers, the foam, all that good jazz. And I just placed it in the center, and I picked it up and found out that I don't even need glue. I can just use the gems around it to kind of mount the mirror in place. But I did add just a little bitty drop of glue just in case. I ended up having a couple of bracelets left over, and I really didn't want those to go to waste, so I kind of played around and seen where a good fit would be, and I found a good place for the top and the bottom, and I glued those to the back. To top this look off, I'm going to be using a gold brooch that I got from Totally Dazzled. And by the way, be sure to stay tuned for a giveaway. They sent me a bunch of bling and the little daily cards that you see in the background. Those are also going to be in the giveaway. Nevertheless, all I did was pull the back pin off with a pair of pliers, added hot glue, and placed that in the very center. If you enjoyed this video, please take the time to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate you watching. Any blessings, friends.